people, welcome back to another video. I'm Taquana, also known as Q, and today I need your help. So I'm going to a party. If you watch my vlogs, then you know that, and I need help picking out a dress. It's an all-black party. One of my friends from high school 40th birthday party, and we gotta be cute. All black affairs, formal, and we need to be seen. Okay, so I have two dress choices for you all to choose from. I kind of already know what I want to wear, but I want you all's opinion on everything. So if you're interested in this video, please like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, and let's get right into it. Okay, this is our first dress. This is a Delphi dress from Revolve. It is a bodycon dress, but it has a little bit of fit and flare at the bottom. Now this dress, I need a bigger size. I have on a waist trainer and some Spanx, and I just need a bigger size. I still have time to order another dress, so just bear with me on the fit, at least. I mean, it still look cute, but I wouldn't dare wear it with this. And I don't know if it's because I got in the shaper, but I don't like that. So yeah, we're going to style this up, and then you can let me know your thoughts. So these earrings are from Zara. We're going to do no necklace, and then we're going to wear these pumps. Now, I also need to go shopping still because I don't have any bracelets or anything. But I don't mind the simplicity of not having on anything. So as far as hair, I'm going to weave it up because I'm a dance machine and I'm not going to be, this hair will be done for. Sometimes doing these try-on videos, hair sweated out. But I'm going to wear a bob, like a wavy bob. So if you can see, so these earrings might not matter. And then for bag, because of the silver, I was just gonna go with the handy dandy Zara bag. So let me know what you all think. We need a bigger size, but just let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna put the split screen up. I'm going to show y'all the other way that I style. Well, just changing the earrings in the bag, and let's see which way y'all like this dress. But we have another dress too. For this look, I did a makeshift tennis necklace, and then I put on pearl earrings, and like I said, I need to go buy some things. So I don't have a bracelet. So I just put this little cuff on, and then I want to wear this red bag because I think it's cute to play off like the bottom of the shoe. But I don't know. I'm not particularly loving the red bag with this outfit, but let me know what y'all think. So the pros and cons for this outfit is I love the silhouette. I like that it is fitted and then flares out at the end, and then it just it's giving body. So I like that. I like the material, and yeah, I just think it's cute. Cons: tight. I will be on my cycle. Blow. I don't want to be having to suck it in. I want to have a good time and dance the night away. I do not want to be worried about, and granted, when you cute, you're not really comfortable. But during that time, I just don't want to be fitted. I will be. So we gonna see which one y'all pick, but I will be fitted, but I just prefer not to. just going to the bathroom and needing somebody to help you unzip yourself, and like just needing assistance with getting dressed, needing assistance with going to the bathroom. So those are the cons. So let's get into the next look. Okay, this is the next dress. It's from House of CB. It's a very dainty, like belle of the ball kind of dress. And it's a midi dress too. I bought it at Nordstrom, but it's a House of CB dress, and it is a size large, but the regular cup size. And then, so let's spruce this up, not too much, and then we can talk about the pros and cons. Okay, this is the first look we did, just the pearl earrings, no necklace. When I put on a necklace, it felt kitty, like princessy, and I didn't want to look princessy. I want to look like a belle, but just not princessy. And then with the same egg-ish bag from Zara. So this is the first. We're still gonna try and get maybe a bracelet, but I don't want to get anything that's gonna snag the tool. So we gotta be careful with that. And yeah, so this is the first look with this dress. Okay, for this look, we changed our earrings to these like rhinestone little studs. These used to have, I cut it off. These used to have like red tassels hanging. I didn't like that. So instead of going and buy new stuff, we're just gonna cut the tassels off and wear that like how it is. And then this bag isn't as red as it's coming up, and with the red bag. So let's see how this look and what you all think. Let's talk pros and cons of this dress. Pros, cute. It's just, you want to do that, and that's just that. You just feel like a woman. Not even a woman. It like it brings out the girl in you. And then it's just good. I like the bows. I like the fit. During that time of the month, I don't have to be worrying about puffy at the belly, because who cares? I'm poking my stomach out, you don't even know. So that is a plus. Cons. I was coming out the bathroom, dress got caught in the door. It's too big. The dress is a big dress. And then I don't like these straps, because in order for me to have the girls come up, I have to tie this, like I have to have these adjusted too tight. I don't like that the adjustment has a silver thing on it for the price of the dress. You need to learn how to do black with it. What else? Yeah, I don't like that it cuts. So I have to have it tight enough, but it's cutting, but you can't really tell. It ain't like a deal breaker, and then I think that's all the cons. I also imagine this to get a lot of like lint and stuff in it. But yeah, so that completes this video. Comment down below, Delphi or House of CB. So let me know which dress you all pick. I'm also gonna put a poll up in the community page just to see what you all think. And then also let me know which accessories you like. I might go and buy more stuff, but I'm trying not to buy things right now. But yeah, comment down below which ones you like. Any stores that I should go to as far as jewelry go for like formal, because I don't do too many formal events. But what jewelry stores besides like Claire's, or I know Dillard's has decent jewelry. And then also like, subscribe, tell all your friends. So stay tuned to see which dress we all came up with. And until the next video, keep it cute.